Welcome back to my channel. It's my last run in the market, Downtown Kingston. The rainbow is a beautiful reminder of God's promises to us. And so I am downtown Kingston in the market once more. You may see this video on Christmas Eve. However, this video was done from early Monday morning. I think it was before 7 a.m. However, the market was already jam-packed at that early time in the morning. So reminder to you is to make sure you're vigilant when you're out on the street, not just downtown Kingston, not just in the marketplace, but wherever you are in Jamaica and around the world. Be safe, be vigilant. And for us here in Jamaica, make sure that you protect yourselves when you're out there on the streets and protect your properties, whatever you have, your cell phone, your money, whatever you have. Just make sure you are vigilant and protect yourselves. This is a season to be jolly, joyful, happy, and everybody's going around making sure that they get all they need to make themselves and their families be at peace and be joyful at Christmas time. However, there are other people out there that doesn't want you to be happy and joyful. So they are out there to make your lives miserable and sad. And I don't want that for anybody on this Christmas, in the Christmas season, so make sure you don't lay your stuff out there, just for people to take it and make your life a mess in the Christmas season. Make sure you protect all you have, because those people are out there that their minds are set in a different space or place, and I don't know if they don't know what it means to be happy or to be joyful, but they're trying to make your life a mess. And you don't want that. I don't want that. So make sure you're vigilant and be safe out there. Wherever you are in Jamaica, have yourself a jolly, holly Christmas season, you and your families. And please remember, the real reason for this season, it's not all about shopping and giving gifts and receiving gifts, but remembering the gift from Jesus Christ, remembering that He came so that we can someday be with Him, so that we can be at a good place sometimes. He came here in flesh and He dwelt among men so that we can dwell with Him in heaven someday. He came to redeem us from our sins. We might say, how do you know that Jesus was born on Christmas Day on December 25? It's not about December 25 at all. We don't know the exact day, but what we know is that He came. And He came for us. He was born. He was born of a virgin. He was born to save mankind from our sins. So remember the real reason for the season. Have yourself a wonderful Christmas from downtown Kingston Marketplace in Jamaica. Merry Christmas. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, and comment. God bless.